Shalom, Ani Aflan. So did you remember this? So this is for using Sawyer, they can see it. Sawyer de Moranville. So that's that's Papa's picture.
Okay.
So we're gonna learn. This is a quick review. It's only
Okay.
5 minutes.
Okay.
Quick review. So here is that's the I already teach you, so I'm not gonna. So I just gonna read it. So Deborah, Devorim. So this is the singular. That's the singular. The Deborah. That's the singular, and this is the plural. The Devorim. Okay, that's how it is. Ito. This is Nemala. That's the singular and this is the plural ant. The Nemalib. Okay. Okay, that's the Elisa, the iguana, that's the Elisa brain. Yeah. Then letter A. So you the plural, the singular. But there's no plural.
It's okay.
Okay.
Don't cover.
Okay. A crowd. That's the Scorpio. The narugat. Okay. So that's the singular of the a crowd. That's the singular of scorpion. And this is Akravine. That's the plural of scorpion. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is what we're gonna learn now.
What's that?
That's a toad. It's a frog.
Frog. Okay.
Frog.
You learn, you read.
Okay. Chepardea. Chepardea. That's the plural.
Singular.
Frog. Okay, let me teach you now the ano. We can start right now.
Okay.
Okay. So this is
Chad.
Chade. It's Chade. So the spelling in English is SH or CH.
T-S.
Yes, nothing.
Yeah. Cha.
Cha. And then this is the letter. Did I already teach in this one?
Yeah. It's okay. You can teach again.
Teach again because maybe
This is
review.
letter.
Letter T. That's the
But it has no
that's not
Baggage?
So it's letter F.
letter F.
Yeah, you can so the B and the P, that was the name of this letter?
That one?
Yes.
P.
P. Okay, so the P and Aleph are the same. You can transform it to anything. You can transform it into, so that one, the B, the Aleph, you can,
That's the bed.
oh yeah, the Bet. So the Bet, you can transform it into V, letter V,
Or B.
B or B.
Okay.
And then
Let's
this
go back.
one,
P.
the P, you can transform it also to letter X.
Okay. Yeah. So you read.
Okay, let's go. Chepa, re, chepa, re, chepa, yes. Chepar, dea,
Okay. You ready?
dea. Chepar, deim,
In.
the word. Okay.
In. Before
Okay,
the in.
I teach you again. It's
Because it has
review.
no sound.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's no sound. The Aleph and the Ayin is the same.
Okay.
No
it's the
sound,
same.
silent.
Okay. Okay, good.
Okay, so
Let's go to
the M.
Hmm?
Shit.
what?
Oh, you're in the letter M there.
Okay.
Do you know
M.
this now?
Yeah.
Okay, you know that now. So let's go in the snake.
Snake.
Okay.
Okay.
Nahash.
Okay. This is the.
Nahash.
Look at that. This
Okay.
is the. What letter is this?
Yeah, that's the noon.
Noon.
That's letter N.
Then this one.
That's H. It's also he, but
Het. Het.
he.
With a h. With a het.
You're like something is going out like you have a
Okay.
horror voice.
Okay. Het.
Het.
Okay. And then this
Het.
one.
So that's letter H also, but a different H. Do
Okay.
you know the letter H, the he?
The
The
head.
like can you write it? Yeah, he
Hey.
he have like
Yeah. Space there.
a space there. But this one don't have all of
and then so you read the one.
Nahash.
Nahash.
So yeah, so this is the sheen.
Sheen.
Sheen. So that one is the sheen. That's the if the like the
Yeah, it will
the
be
period is there. If the period
sheen.
the circle is there. So that is
Sheen.
and if the period is here in the left,
Like that one. Like
the
that one.
if it's
I'm
in
drawing.
the left,
I'm drawing it.
it's in the left. That's the scene.
Sheen.
Scene.
Okay.
S. The
So how do you read it?
yeah. Nahash.
Nahash. Okay.
Nahash.
Okay, let's go. Plural.
Nehashim. Nehashim.
Nahashim. That's
Okay,
many
we know
snakes.
that letter stuff, so I will not teach you.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, bye. But we can show them the end.
Huh?
We can show them the next
The
one.
rest
Yeah.
next time. We will have them
Oh.
next time.
Yeah. Okay. Did I already show them the inside of the book?
Yeah, it's just the same.
Let me show
Okay.
them.
It's
How about
6
next time in the end? I will show you.
Shalom.
Shalom. Subscribe my channel. Bye.